was my favourite, that one.
The clubs that are here, particularly the Friends of Post and Heritage, Ford and Ford Association, and all the National Rigid Tractor Engine clubs that are here. We're extremely grateful to all of the clubs who participate for the help in promoting the event to their members and for support in the show. They are all listed on page 16 of your show guide, but just to mention a few: the Alice Chain Charlotte St. Owen's Club, the Avon Club Machinery, the Bedford Enthusiast Club, the Blueport Tractor Club, the Carrington Steam Rally, and the Case IH Club UK. So please go and visit them. The locations are in the show guide. We are thankful and very grateful for their support in the show. A reminder, in just over an hour, we will be starting the remembrance service in the George Stevenson exhibition. Reminder, the profits are on sale in the Cedric Ford Pavilion. And we will be signaling the 2-minute silence, which will be broadcasted across the showground. And we ask that people just stand and quietly observe in remembrance of those in the fallen in the various conflicts on behalf of our nation. Before